The C-17 Globemaster, a workhorse of the Air Force, is assembled right here in this state-of-the-art Boeing facility.
Morning. Are you ready for the shift today?
Absolutely. I heard we have a new line starting up.
The alignment on the starboard side needs adjustment before the next phase.
I agree. Let's review the schematics on the tablet again to confirm the measurements.
Check the load-bearing capacity at this intersection point.
The simulation shows a high thermal variance right here.
I'm pushing the updated specs to the main display now.
Analysis complete. Flaw detected.
If we adjust the calibration here, it should resolve the stress fracture issue.
But what about the heat sink on the auxiliary unit?
We could reroute the coolant lines through here.
This section is complete. We're clear to move it to the main assembly line.
Confirmed. The stress tests came back nominal across the board.
The scale is truly impressive. It's ready for integration.
Absolutely. Let's move it to the next bay.
Confirming the rotation sequence now. Vehicle 2, maintain current bearing. Watch the clearance on the left.
Keep it steady, watching the clearance. All right, easy left, coming down slow.
All right, easy now, right there, hold it.
Copy, holding. Looks aligned, lower and secure.
Steady, we're aligned on the forward mount.
Applying the final sequence now. Torque is reading green.
Confirmed on the diagnostics. Good job.
Watch the clearance on the hydraulic lines.
Got it. Looks good.
Applying final torque now.
This linkage matches the diagram. We are good to proceed.
Roger that.
Torque is set on this one.
And the sensor is secure. Moving on.
Are the connections fully seated on J3?
Just finished that. Moving to the software check now.
GPS alignment complete. Switching to comms check on channel 3. Confirming signal strength is nominal.
We have an anomaly on the starboard end engine metrics.
Acknowledged. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
We have a spikers on sensor array, Charlie.
The pressure readings on manifold 7 are spiking again.
I see it. Cross-reference with the thermal data.
Brake assembly measurements are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Tire pressure checked, wear is good. Ready for sign-off.
Slow and steady, coming into Bay 4. Watch the starboard wing clearance.
Roger that, holding speed.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the edge.
We need those medical kits up front now.
Get this pallet clear. We need the runway empty by 1600. Copy that. Moving now. Watch the edge.
Go, go, go. Keep it moving. Go. Clear. Stand up, hook up, check equipment. Sound off over the green light. Let's go. Move, move, move. Watch the centering. Keep it coming. It's clear. Lock it down.
Captain, navigation is updated. Frequency changed.
Confirmed. Maintain present course and speed.
Bay 2 is clear. Bring up the next load.
Roger that. Moving now. Watch the clearance on the right.